Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you what is a increment operator. So let's just make a variable like int, uh, let's give it the name a and make it equal to 10. Now let's just make another one, int o or int b equal to 2. And what you can do with the increment operator is make it bigger or smaller. You can use minus minus b for example, and a plus plus. So here, and it's different when you put the -1 minus in the back, or let's just put plus for now. It's different if you enlarge it once and then use it, and it's different if you make it bigger first, use it first, then make it bigger second. So let's just see some examples for this. So let me clear all this too. So system dot out dot print, and we didn't put the main, so we need the main too. Public static void main, put one here like this. Just leave it there or put it back here. Print a plus plus, a plus plus. So nothing's gonna happen, so we're just gonna system out print is gonna put a, then it's gonna make it bigger. So let's just print it out on the screen again. Use the line. So now let's use a. So what's gonna happen here? First we're gonna use a, which is 10. A here is 10, then it's gonna become bigger. So after, when we use it again, when we use it here, it's gonna become 11. So let's save it, and let's run this. So where's the run button here? Okay. As you can see, first we just print a, then we get 11 because it gets bigger. So now let's just take off a from here and put it here, save it and run it again. So what's gonna happen here? We get plus plus a. So a first is gonna increment itself to 11, then it's gonna get printed 11 here and 11 here. So let's just see that. See, as I said, get 11 here and 11 again, because first a gets bigger, then it gets printed, then it gets used again. So let's try it out with b. So we get b plus plus and we get b here. So what's gonna happen? We're gonna print out b first, then it's gonna get bigger. So when we use it again, it's gonna become, what is it, 2. Here is gonna be 2, it's gonna get bigger, so by 1. So plus plus makes it bigger by 1, and it's gonna become 3 here. So let's run it, and as you can see, we have 2 here and 3 here. I think I don't think if you can see because it's a little small, but here we have 2 and here we have 3. And we can use the decrement like minus minus b. So first b is going to become smaller, then it's going to get used here and used again here. So first it was 2, now it gets smaller by 1, which makes it 1 here and 1 here. And let's run this. As I said, you get 1 for this one, this line of code, and 1 for this one. So as you can see, 1 here and 1 here. Now let's use it the opposite way, minus minus. So first b gets used as 2, then it gets smaller, minus minus by 1. So the minus minus and the plus plus makes it smaller by 1, or if it's plus plus makes it bigger by 1, and it gets used here. So b minus minus, first it was 2, it's 2 here, it gets smaller by 1, then it's 2 here. So let's run this, and as I said, it's 2 first, it gets smaller by 1, then it's b. So let's use something like when we can use a minus minus here and minus minus b here. So we use a here, and let's save this, run it. So we get a minus minus, so first it gets smaller. Let me just print this out. I'll leave it like this. A, first of all, we have a here, make it smaller than when we use it, it's 9. And when we make b smaller, we use it again, and then it's 9 here, it's 9, it's what? B, why is it putting a? Oh, a is 10. And b gets smaller by 1, and then it's 1 here. So I'd like to thank you for viewing. I hope this has been informative, and subscribe.